guys, I just grabbed laundry care items for $1.40 each, including taxes, as well as these razors for $1.40. Let's go in store and I'm going to show you guys some of these amazing deals and savings. I am super excited and I want to say welcome to all you guys who are tuning in. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deals and savings. I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below, so you guys could go ahead and print it out and take it with you guys for an easy couponing trip. So now let's go in store and grab these amazing deals. Our first deal is on the Venus and Gillette razors. They're priced at $9.89 and they're on promotion, buy two, get an $8 extra back. And we also have a $3 digital coupon for the woman's Venus razor. You're going to go into the men's section and grab one of these razors. They're also priced at $9.99. It has to be the Gillette Fusion 5, and we also have a $3 digital coupon. So for these two items, it's going to be a total of $19.98. You're going to use that $3 Gillette digital coupon, that $3 Venus digital coupon. You would pay $13.98 at the register, but get back an $8 extra buck. Makes your final cost just $5.98 for both, or just $2.99 each, guys, which is a pretty awesome deal. Next is our spend 40, get back a $10 extra buck scenario. The Dove hair care is on promotion, buy one, get one 50% off, and these are priced at $5.49. The other one is going to be $2.75. Now let's go ahead to the deodorant section. So the Secret deodorants, they're also on promotion, buy one, get one 50% off, and they're priced at $7.99. The other one is going to be $3.99, and we also have a $4 digital coupon on our CVS app. Next, we're going to go ahead into laundry care. You're going to go ahead and pick up this Downy Combis. These are priced at $6.99. There is a $2 digital coupon attaching to this specific product. And I'm also going to go ahead and pick up these Gain Flings. These are priced at $12.99. All right, a total for all of these products is $40.20. We do have a $3 digital coupon for the Gain, a $2 digital coupon for the Downy beads. I recommend scanning the Downy beads to ensure which item is the $2 coupon attaching to. That's what I had to do. And we also have a $4 digital coupon for the Secret deodorants and a $4 digital coupon for the Dove hair. So that's going to bring your total down to $27.20. You could definitely go ahead and roll in extra bucks. You're going to be getting back a $10 extra buck, and you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 cash back for the Secret deodorant. It's going to make your final cost just $15.20 for all 6 items, or $2.53 a piece, which is pretty awesome. I am going to be combining this with a 10 off of 70 scenario. Next deal is on the Speed Stick deodorants. These are priced at $3.49 and they're on promotion, buy one, get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So 2 of them, it's going to be a total of $5.24. There are some printable coupons for 75 cents on the speedstick.com website. I'm going to leave that in the description box for you guys down below. You would pay $3.74 after those 2 coupons. Get back a $3 extra buck, makes your final cost just 74 cents for both, or 37 cents a piece, guys, which is pretty awesome. I did leave the printable coupons at home, so I'll probably come back during the week to grab them. Next is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on promotion, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, or buy 3, get an $8 extra buck. So this is a tier promotion, so you have to choose which option fits best for you. All right, so these Perfect Blend pencils, they actually went up in price. These are priced at $6.79. Guys, I completely forgot to show you guys in store, like the breakdown for this deal. Okay, so these Perfect Blend pencils, they're priced at $6.79 currently at my store. And the mascara, it's priced at $6.99. So a total for these products is $12.28, I believe. And there are, I did use 2 insert coupons from the Save 83 insert. So there is a $2 digital coupon for an eye product as well as for a face product. So definitely pick and choose which deal you guys would like to do. But yeah, so after the coupons, you would pay $6.28, get back a $5 extra buck, and makes your final cost $1.28 for both, or 64 cents each, guys. I mean, I was hoping it would have been a moneymaker deal, but hey, prices are extremely going up. So let me know what's the pricings at your store. All right, guys, so this is $72.48 worth of products. We do have $35 in coupons, including the $10 off of 70 and the $3 insert coupons from CoverGirl, as well as digital coupons. So you would be left to pay $37.48 out of pocket, but that is a very high out of pocket. If you guys have extra bucks to roll in, definitely go ahead and roll them in to lower the out of pocket cost. Then you're going to get back a $10 extra buck for spending $40, an $8 extra buck for the razor deal, and a $5 extra buck for the CoverGirl cosmetics. Makes your final cost just $14.48. Then you're going to go ahead and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 cash back for the secret deodorants. It's going to make your final cost for all of these 10 items just $12.48, or just $1.25 a piece, which is pretty amazing. So like I said, go ahead and roll in extra bucks. I currently have $22 in extra bucks that I'm going to go ahead and roll into this deal. All right, guys, we are back in from CVS. I am super excited how all these deals played out. Even though there wasn't a lot of items in stock, I couldn't pick up the Axe deodorant sprays because it wasn't in stock. And the CoverGirl cosmetics, they were a little bit more pricier, and I couldn't find the ones that I needed for the transaction. So yeah, there was a lot of items out of stock, the Tide detergent and all that stuff. So I want to go ahead and show you guys the receipt and just tell you everything that I got. I don't know if you guys can see that perfectly. So those are the Gillette razors, the Venus razors. Those were $9.99. The Downy beads, they were $6.99 each. So the prices, the sale prices are right there. The secret deodorants, they were $7.99. Buy one get one 50% off, and then go on. And these are all the digital and paper coupons. So I did have 2 CoverGirl insert coupons, so I went ahead and I used those. That's the secret digital, the Dove digital, the Gillette digitals, the Downy, the 10 off of 70, and I rolled in about $22 in extra bucks, and I paid $16 and a penny out of pocket. And I also got back $24 in extra bucks right here, which is exciting. I also went ahead and submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2 cash back. So that's going to make my final cost for this receipt just $14, including taxes, or just $1.40 a piece for each item, guys. We got some razors that were priced at $9.99 for $1.40, which is insane. And we also got this huge Gain Flings priced at $12.99 for $1.40. That is incredible. I am going to be leaving you guys my links in the description box for like all of the rebate apps, so you guys could sign up and earn additional cashback bonuses with Ibotta and other rebate apps. And sorry, I had to and so yeah, I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below, so you guys go ahead and print it out. So like I said, there was a lot of items that were out of stock, but I was really happy how everything did turn out. I love getting laundry care products at CVS. You guys know how I am. I love picking them up there. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have an amazing and blessed day. Bye!